Today, we are breaking down hybrid cloud in simple terms. Ever wondered why hybrid cloud is becoming a must-have for businesses and how you can set it up for yourself? Stick around because we are showing you a real-world example with a MySQL database on-prem and a Ghost CMS application on Google Kubernetes engine. Let's go. First things first, what is hybrid cloud? A hybrid cloud is a setup that mixes on-prem infrastructure with one or more public clouds. In a hybrid cloud, you can also have a mix of different cloud providers. For example, some of your applications on Google Cloud and the others in AWS. Think of it as combining the best of both worlds. You get the control and data security of on-prem systems and the flexibility of a cloud. Let's say you want some data stored locally, but you want the flexibility of deploying applications in the cloud. That's where hybrid cloud shines. It gives you agility, scalability, and a way to modernize your infrastructure without giving up control over critical data. Alright, let's dive into a real-world setup. I've got MySQL running locally on my laptop. This is my on-prem piece. Now, I will deploy a Ghost CMS, which is a popular open source blogging platform on Google Kubernetes engine. GKE is my cloud part. This is hybrid cloud in action. MySQL handles the database locally, while Ghost is hosted in the cloud, giving me scalability without putting everything on my laptop. Plus, it keeps my data secure while my app takes advantage of the cloud's infrastructure. So why go hybrid? First, flexibility. You can choose where each component runs based on your needs. Local for data-heavy apps or sensitive information, and cloud for services that need scaling. Second, cost savings. Cloud costs can add up if you are running everything 24/7. With hybrid, you can control what stays local and what scales, potentially saving you thousands on cloud bills. And finally, resilience. If the cloud goes down, your critical systems running on-prem stay unaffected. Hybrid cloud setups help you build redundancy, making your system more resilient against outages. Alright, how do you get MySQL on my laptop to connect to Ghost on GKE? Enter VPNs and secure networking. In my setup, I'm using a VPN tunnel to securely bridge my laptop's network with Google Cloud. This means my Ghost application in cloud can talk to my MySQL database on-prem. Through Kubernetes, I can configure Ghost to securely connect to MySQL, even though they are in different locations. It's like building a virtual private bridge between on-prem and the cloud. Hybrid cloud isn't just for personal projects. Big players use it too. Think of financial services managing private data on-prem while using cloud power for analytics, or healthcare providers keeping sensitive data local while hosting applications in the cloud for scalability. Retailers too use hybrid cloud to manage inventory data locally while leveraging cloud-based e-commerce solutions. Basically, if you need flexibility, scalability, and security, hybrid cloud is a game changer. So why should you learn hybrid clouds? As hybrid cloud setup grow, knowing how to bridge on-prem and cloud environments will set you apart as a tech professional. From Kubernetes to VPNs, hybrid cloud skills are in demand. Understanding hybrid cloud isn't just cool, it's future-proofing your career as companies look for people who can navigate both on-prem and cloud worlds. And there you have it, hybrid cloud in a nutshell. From on-prem SQL to a cloud-hosted application on GKE, this setup shows you the power of hybrid cloud. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech breakdowns. Comment below if you'd like to see more real-world cloud setups. Until next time, keep bridging the gap between on-prem and the cloud.